Well, they don't have to be perfect because pumpkins don't grow perfect. Have you ever been to the pumpkin patch? Have I? Yes.
Yeah, but they're so easy.
In San Diego, they have a pumpkin patch that you can go to because God knows I couldn't grow one if my life depended on it. In the San Diego granite soil, they don't work so well. I tried to plant those tomatoes in the tomato, what do they call that thing that hangs? The upside down tomato plant thing. It lasted for a couple of weeks before it died. Because when you come home at midnight, watering your plant's not your first priority. Okay, now we're going to take, this is a number two, Wilton number 2, and we're just going to squiggle. You can all do this, I know. Squiggle over your turkeys. Why is it every bag of icing I have is so hard I can hardly squeeze it?
You're on camera.
Apparently.
That's it.
It's really cold outside or something. Normally I'd have this finished by now. So we're just letting it squiggle all around, like so. And then we're going to put some little leaves on our vine. This is a 349. If it would go on here, it'd be lovely. And then just put some little leaves here and there, and you just want to make sure they're not all going the same direction. Some right, some left, some on the turkey. On the vine. Some on the pumpkins, some not on pumpkins. This is a great way to cover up just about everything. Okay, now we're going to make corn. It's my most favoritist thing ever. Is that a word, favoritist?
It is, sure.
It is today.
Yep.
And just a little bit tricky, but it's easy once you get the hang of it. Have you heard that before?
Yeah.
It's so easy. This really is. Actually, I'll show you on the counter here how to do it first before we do it on the cake. So this is a 233 tip, the one with all the little holes in it. And basically, you're just lifting up and down to do this, but you get it started, and you squeeze hard, and then just go really teeny tiny up and down. And it's going to look like corn when we get done. We'll put a leaf on it. But here's what you guys do. You either try to go back and forth, which obviously doesn't work, or you go up and down too far, which doesn't work. So you got to be really close together. So it's just really quick and really teeny. And then from the bottom, you make some little leaves up the side. And there's your corn on the cob.
By the way, they're going crazy online now.
Oh, I gotta tell you,
Love
this looks so cute on cupcakes as well.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. So you can do corn. Did you see that? It's gone now. Is that the trash?
It is now.
Okay, so now we're going to do it on the cake.
Do some corn.
So what happens if you don't get it right? Scrape it off, do it again. So start kind of straight up and down, and then really little wiggles back and forth. Okay, it's not perfect, but when I put the leaves on, no one will ever know. So this is my tribute to John. He's passed away now. He was actually from San Diego. Lived in Escondido. Okay, and then here's my little leaf up the side, and pull it out. This one up the side, and this one just a little bit over the top. Okay, but don't tell anybody about this. It's our secret.